Well, humans अपना काम यहीं तक था, इसके बाद AI देख लेगा. I could not even imagine. This AI progression is unbelievable. Yesterday, OpenAI released Sora. It is a truly mind-blowing and it is one step closer to getting your job snatched. मतलब हम सबको पता था कि वीडियो मॉडल्स आने वाले हैं, but this OpenAI took beyond our wildest expectations. It's a first AI model which can generate 1-minute video from text. So basically this Sora is a Japanese word which means sky, and in this video we're going to see what it can do and how it does it. So let's start. So basically Sora is a text to video model which convert your text to videos, and all the videos which you will see in this video are going to be generated by Sora. Although we previously had stable video diffusion and also the private product called as Pika, but this is on next level. It actually feels like a realistic video. It is not like last year Will Smith eating spaghetti is like who is eating spaghetti and Rock eating rock. It is so beyond our wildest expectations. And the best part is it can convert any video to any aspect ratios, which can't be done by standard video generation models. In this you have two options: either generate the video out of the text itself or from the actual photo or an image. For example, here I gave the prompt: a little golden retriever puppies playing in the snow, their head pop out of the snow covered in, and it generated the video for that. That's insane. And my first thought was कि Google की तरह Sam Altman ने भी कुछ prompts cherry pick किए होंगे और फिर उनकी वीडियो बनाई होगी, but नहीं. Sam Altman on his Twitter asked people to give the actual prompts and he gave the video in under a minute. For example, two golden retrievers podcasting on top of mountain, and he actually gave the video in a minute. He gave many such videos. For example, a bicycle race on ocean with different animals as athletes riding the bicycles with drone camera view. Can you just believe that? Now you must also be thinking कि यार इस पे हाथ लगेगा ना मजा आएगा. Let's try it. But for sure कि तुम जिस जनता को ये नहीं देंगे because अभी सिर्फ AI की शुरुआत हुई है, and you can see AI influencers on Insta a lot and they get followers like anything. Even the smallest thing like face morphing or deepfake created a mess. Just imagine अगर ये लोग के हाथ में आ गया ना, भाई बर्बाद कर देंगे लोग. You know the ways how people can use it very well. So rest assured, this OpenAI Sora model will be a closed AI for you. If you got lucky and it is released to public, but for sure will be paid. The video will have a C2PA metadata encoded in that so that you can track back from what source how the video was generated, because it can be used in many illegal practices. Now इतना जान लिया है तो ये भी जान लेते हैं कि ये काम कैसे करता है, because हम तो genius है ना. So we have many examples, many examples. Let's take this example. Now basically a video is a collection of frames. Now a frame we have to generate, and that to be sequential in respect to time. So let's first see that how a frame is generated. So basically we have a diffusion model in which we have a random noise. From that we update that and generate an image. Now let's say a frame or an image is generated which can be any aspect ratio. Let's take a standard YouTube video which is 920 to 1080 and having 3 color channels. So we for sure know that we will have 2 million data frames in just one image. Now as Sam Altman said, we will have a 1 minute video and can be at 60 frames per second. So around 7 billion data points will be there, which is a lot to process. The Sam Altman requested for $7 trillion for graphic processing. You know, it's not a low money, right? So it works similar to a large language model in which you had a text, you tokenize that text and interpret the text. But now you interpret the text and then you will have a visual encoder which will visualize, which means get the frame and also how they move in time, thus generating the dynamic video. Now you will see the licensing of the videos, making the stock videos, all that stuff will be gone because people will easily be able to generate these videos from the text itself. But for you as a programmer, you already know problem statement to code ChatGPT can do, but that improvisation inbuilt can be built on top of the existing models, because if videos can be improvised, so for sure any code optimization can be thought of by the AI model itself. So जो तुम पहले सोच रहे थे ना कि नहीं यार programmers are required to actually tell ChatGPT what components they need to grab from ChatGPT and then build a website, तो भाई भूल जाओ. तुम सिर्फ prompt दोगे ChatGPT को and वो तुम्हें proper website बना के दे देगा with everything. तो भाई VFX artists और जो लोग stock videos, stock photos वगैरह बनाते थे, I don't know कि how long this job gonna sustain, because for sure with a simple text you can generate any stock video possible. But for programmers, bro, we are done, because पहले ChatGPT से हम कंपोनेंट्स मांगते थे एंड फिर उसको खुद असेंबल करते थे एंड वी ट्राई on all multiple possibilities and then check what looks best, works best, and then get that working. But now under the hood, ChatGPT will be able to do everything by himself. And ये जो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ ना मैं इस समय, this video can exactly be replicated by AI. फ्यूचर में आर्यन नहीं बोल रहा होगा, तब तक देखते हैं बचते नहीं बचते. बाय बाय.